Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will study chapter number 21, Conjunction. Before we start the chapter, I would like you to read this yellow box. Frame grammatically correct sentences using the words in the box and, or, because, yet, but, if. Means these words should come in your sentence anywhere. Alright, so you have to frame meaningful sentences out of them. Do it and then we begin the class. So children, from your answers, means from your sentences, you must have now known that these words are conjunction. They are either joining two words or two phrases in them. Alright. So these words are also called linkers. Conjunctions are also called linkers. Now we directly come to the definition of conjunction. A conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. Even two sentences are also joined through the help of conjunction. How? We will come to know about that. There are three types of conjunction: coordinate conjunction, correlative conjunction and subordinate conjunction. Okay, first of all we will study about coordinate conjunction. Now for that we will read these sentences. I locked the room and left the house. She has called her thrice, yet there has been no response. Here you see highlighted words like and yet are coordinating conjunction. And both these sentences are of equal importance. Like I locked the room and left the house. Means both these statements are of equal importance. So the words that join two statements of equal importance are called coordinating conjunction. For example, and, yet. Now we are going to study this table. Use of and, but, or, so. And is used to join or add words together. For example, I walked to the shelf and placed the plates on it. But is used to show opposite or conflicting ideas. He is wealthy but is unhappy. Or shows a choice or a possibility. You must hurry up or you will miss the flight. You can take the yellow one or the white one. Choice. This is possibility. And the second sentence shows choice. So shows result. Father is ill, so he did not go to office today. I could not complete my homework, so I did not bring it today. Some of the coordinating conjunctions are yet, nor, still, whereas, nevertheless, else, as well as, or else, etc. Now, I hope you all have understood all this. Now we move on to correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. For this, we need to read these few sentences. We could either take a cab or a bus. Ruxana has both done her homework and packed her school bag. Here you can see there are pair of conjunctions. Either or, both and. Alright, so these types of words are correlative conjunction. In a correlative conjunction, a multi-word conjunction that is used to join two statements of equal importance. Here we are using a pair of conjunction to join two words or two statements of equal importance. These types of conjunction are called correlative conjunction. Correlative means they are related to each other. Now we will go through few more such conjunction, correlative conjunction. Both and are usually used to indicate two qualities. The principal both applauded and rewarded Rishi for his brave act. Either or, used to show a choice between two possibilities in a positive sense. I will meet you either today or tomorrow. Either you have to do your homework or you have to get the punishment, isn't it? Neither nor. Used in the negative sense to say that two or more things are not true. Neither he nor I can attend for the meeting today. Neither he brought his geometry box nor he has a pencil nor he has a pencil. Alright? Not only but also. These are also correlative. When used, two actions are referred to. They are used when two actions are referred to. She was not only late but also unprepared for the test. Such that is used to show a cause effect relationship. Such is his dedication that he has not slept for 15 hours. No sooner than. It is used when one action follows another very soon. No sooner had I entered the airport than the flight took off. Not only but also. It is used when two actions are referred to. Not only she did finish her homework but also revised her lessons. So we are done with correlative conjunctions. Now we will move to subordinating conjunction. Now the last one is subordinating conjunction. There was so much noise that we could not hear anything. You will lose your job if you come late every day. I will make you out of the class if you don't finish your homework tomorrow. So these type of sentences you see, they are dependent. One part is dependent on other and it is joined by a word. These type of conjunction that supports one statement that is dependent on other are called subordinating conjunction. Here one side of sentence is of less importance and it is dependent on the other statement. So we will see few more sentences like this. If and unless is used to indicate condition. If you work hard, you will score well. Unless you try, you will not be able to get over your fears. Before, after, till, when, whenever, while. These are used to indicate time duration. Okay, to indicate time or duration. I will return before mother comes back. I must meet you after the test gets over. Do not move from here till I return. The children played fearlessly when the snake was caught. I will call you whenever I receive the parcel. Suhani cooked while Lata slept. So you can see here, children, all the sentences, this set of statements are dependent on this side. Okay, so these are subordinating conjunction. Where, wherever, these are used to indicate place. The students can stay where they are. You can sit wherever there is a vacant seat. Because, as, since, they are used to indicate the cause effect relationship between two ideas. I admire him because he always sticks to his principles. I will help her as she is my best friend. Jaya has known Farah since she was a little baby. So these sentences are in relationship and they show an idea between each other. While they are used to express contrast between ideas, she has not lost her will, though she has suffered a lot. Although he is poor, he is an honest man. Unpack the suitcase while I prepare dinner. As then to indicate comparison. She talked as she was expected to. I am taller than my elder brother. So we are done with subordinate conjunctions.